Bet You Look Good on the Dance Floor by Arctic Monkeys is played in standard tuning with no capo. For the intro we have two guitar parts. The main guitar part starts on this F sharp power chord, 2nd fret on the low E, 4th fret on the A, 4th fret on the D. I'm going to strum this down up, then 4 mutes, then open low E, 4th fret on the A and D, down up. Slowly. And up to speed. The second guitar part plays the same F sharp power chord but just strums it a single time. Lets it ring for the whole bar. We do that for 3 bars. The 4th bar, play an E power chord, open E, 2nd fret on A and D, and then we're into the main kind of solo intro. So for that main run in the intro, we're actually based on an F sharp minor pentatonic scale. We're just going to run up the notes, playing them each 4 times. So 14th fret on the E, 17th fret on the E, 14th fret on the A, 16 on the A, 14 on the D, 16 on the D, 14 on the G, 16 on the G. Okay, so we're then going to bend 16th fret on the G string up a whole step 8 times. On the 9th time, we're going to bend up a whole step again, but we're going to release instantly to the 14th fret on the G. Then we're going to play 16, 14, 16 on the D, going back to 14 on the G. So from that final bend, then we've got 16, 14 on the G again, then 16, 14, 16 on the D, back to 14 on the G. So it's the same again essentially without the bend. Okay, so I'm going to bend up 16 slowly, whole bend, and release down. Hit 16 3 times, and then on the 4th time, walk down 16, 14 on the G, 16 on the D. Then 14, 16 on the D, 14 on the G, 16 on the D. Okay, so then we're going to do a similar thing on the D string. Go 16 3 times, then we're into our triplets. We play 16, 14 on the D, going down to 16 on the A. Then we've got 14, 16 on the A, going to 14 on the D. Then 16, 14 on the A, going down to 17 on the low E. So 14 on the A again, 17 down to 14 on the E. Then the move position, we're into 12th fret on the E, 14th fret on the E, going to 12th fret on the A. So from 16 on the D, we've got 14, 12 on the A, 14, 12, 14 on the E, back to 12 on the A. 14 on the A, play 4 times. So the whole riff plays slowly. We have that little pentatonic run. Bends. Slow bend. For the verse pattern, we have a C sharp power chord, going to a B, A, and F. We're going to strum the C sharp power chord down, mute, up on the B. Another mute, and another up strum on the B. Then we have 2 mutes, then a F sharp, 2 mutes. So slowly. And up to speed. For the chorus, we're going to sit on this F sharp power chord for 2 bars. We've got 8th notes, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Moving up to the 5th fret, this A power chord. again for 2 bars. Then we're all the way up to the 12th fret, this E power chord, so 12, 14 and 14, 2 bars. Up 2 frets to that F sharp power chord, but up to that octave. Okay, so you have the F sharp, A, E, F sharp. Second time we go to the F sharp again, the A again, the E again. This time we come down to a C sharp at the 9th fret, 11, 11. Okay, so F sharp, A, E, F sharp, A, E, C sharp. For the solo, we're going to slide into 14 on the A, going down to 12. Then we're going to play 6 times on the A string at the 14th fret, down to 12, 14 on the low E. So we're then going to play on the low E, 14, 14, 12, 14. We've then got 14, 12, 14 on the E, 12, 14, 12, 14, 12 on the A. So far. We're then going to slide into 16 on the A, 14 on the D, 16 on the A. Back to 14, 16, 14 on the D. Then 16 on the D, 14 on the G, 16 on the G. Then 14, 16, 14 on the G and a 16, full tone bend. And we'll catch it 3 times while it's fully bent there. Okay, so the whole thing slowly. So to finish the song, we play the C sharp power chord at the 9th fret, the E string 5 times, and then the F sharp power chord once. For more Arctic Monkeys tutorials, please check out this link here. Thanks for watching, good luck and take care.